Hello guys, I am here to share something about the application of physics in the baking cookies. Baking cookies. A cookie is a baked or a cooked snack or dessert that is typically small, flat, and sweet. It usually contains flour, sugar, egg, and some type of oil, fat, or butter. It may include other ingredients such as raisins, oats, chocolates, chips, and nuts. Baking cookies should be maintained at the oven temperature is 350 Fahrenheit. Time should be required at 15 to 20 seconds for baking. What makes cookies crispy? Using lower moisture sugar granulated and the fat vegetable shortening pulse a longer, slower making than normal produces light crunchy cookies. Thermodynamics. Baking falls into this branch of physics, deals with the relationship between heat and the other properties in a substance. Thermodynamic process. A system that undergoes some sort of energetic change within the system affecting the pressure, internal energy, temperature, and heat transfer. First law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only altered in the form del U is equal to Q minus W, where del U is the heat given or lost. Del U is the change in internal energy. W is the work done. Makes use of the key concept of internal energy, heat, and system worked. Heat transfer. The changing the heat from an object containing a high temperature to a lower temperature object. The three main types of heat transfer are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction. Heat transfer by means of a molecular agitations within a material without any motion of the material as a whole. Thermal conductivity. A measure of the ability of a material to transfer heat. K is equal to Q into L by A del T, where K is the thermal conductivity, Q is the amount of heat transferred through the material, where L is the distance between the two isothermal planes, A is the area of a surface, del T is the difference in temperature. Conductivity and baking. Conductivity under the utensil. Heat is transferred directly onto the baking pan. The pan has a direct contact with cookie dough, causing it to make bake. Convection. Heat transfer by mass motion of a fluid such as air or water when the heat fluid is caused to move away from the source of heat, carrying energy with it. The oven is used as a heating engine that allows heat to be transferred to cause the cookies to rise, affecting the internal energy of the cookies. Radiation. Electromagnetic waves traveling through space hit and transfer the heat to that object. The transfer of radiated heat relies on the ability of the baking pan to absorb the heat energy. Dark spots means the absorption of radiation. These are all the applications of the physics in the baking of cookies. Thank you.